Hey, what is up, guys? I hope you are all welcome back my YouTube channel NFT Chance, and I will show you today a charging website mean Usdt quantify website, and you can earn regular use income in this website. Okay, and it is a order site, so I'll show you how to do everything step by step. Watch my full video without skip. So first of all, need to register. So input email address, enter password, and re-enter your password. The invitation code automatically take it. My account already completed, so I put my details and click the sign in option. You can see that. And the website name is EB Master, and the website details in here. If you deposit 2 USDT, you can earn regular 3 USDT. After it, already simply click the I know button. You can simply click the recharge option, TRC20. Copy this address, go to the wallet, paste the address, put the amount. Deposit completed, click the recharge completed button, simply click the bank icon, again the bank icon. And you can see the me section. I know recharge done. You can simply click the me section and the tax section, and you can see the on tax available in here. Simply click the to complete it, and you can see the tax is loading. After the loading finished, then I got my reward, and I will show you how to withdraw your reward in your wallet. Okay, simply click the completed option, and you can see the tax is completed. And I will introduce the VIP section. Here the VIP section. First of all, I withdraw your money in your wallet. So click the me section, and you can see the withdrawal option. Click the withdrawal option and go your Binance. After you go your Binance, click the add fund, and you can see deposit crypto. And after click the deposit, click crypto, choose USDT and TRC20. Okay, and copy this address and back your website. After you back your website, simply paste your address and enter your amount withdrawal and enter your security password. Click the confirmation, and you can see withdrawal successfully done. Okay, and you can see the financial record in here. Simply the financial record, you can see the my lucky draw rate is 387. When you make a count, you got a lucky draw. Okay, and you can see the baby section. Baby 1, 2, 3, almost baby 9 here. Okay, if you deposit 56 you can earn regular 14% and mean 14 USDT. And if you deposit 200 USDT, you can earn regular 52 USDT. It means just for this count and your balance is double. Okay, after 4 days, your investment double. You can see that. And you can see the team section. You can see the team commission, how much in here. 12%, 2%, 1%. Okay, first generation to 12%, second 2%, and third to 1%. You can simply link copy and go to the social media, share the link and earn lots of money by the sharing. And you can see there have many kind of languages in available: English, France, Italian, Chinese, Jesus, French, Taiwan, Proto, Turkey, Albania, Indonesia, Malay, Lebanese, Hindi, Bangla, Urdu. Many kind of languages in available in here. You can see that. Or you can see that they have a company profile. You can see the company profile means the company details in here. You can simply read the company profile and read. And if you're interested for use of the app, you can simply download the app and use easily. Okay, you can see the app icon in here. And I don't force anyone deposit here. It's your own choice and your own risk. And you can see the regulatory authority and ICE and certified ICS. Okay, and you can see there have a customer service. If you face any kind of problem, you can simply contact the customer service and solve your problem. And you can easily work this website and have the inbox option. When you recharge and withdrawal, you can show in here. You can see my withdrawal successfully done 3 USDT in my wallet. Okay, or you can simply get the me section. If you're interested for transfer your amount to basic account, you can simply put your amount and put the password and confirmation, and you can see the total USDT balance are transferred in this fund. Okay, and you can see the team record. You can how to watch your team record. Some will click the team section. You can just scroll down and you can see the selection period, and you can see the team size, team reaches, team neutral. You can watch in that. Okay. Or after you read the all details, you can simply contact the customer service, and you can confirm every details, and you can easily share your link on social media and earn lots of money. Okay, so until today's video, see you next another running videos.